Hey guys, long time no see. So it's been, gosh, a little over a year since we've been camping. A lot has gone on in our lives. A lot of fun, exciting things, and also a very sad thing. So just to fill you in what we've been up to over the last year, we moved from Oregon to Washington, which we are loving, by the way. We bought a house that we're completely remodeling. We're pretty much done with it, so that's why we were able to come out here. We're not spending every weekend working on a house. So that's been the fun part. And so in the midst of all that happening, we did have something very sad happen. Our little blue heeler, Sammy, you probably remember her from a lot of videos, passed away in April. So you won't be seeing her. Sorry. But anyway, what's been going on, she will be missed. It is weird being out here without her, but we've got little Abby to, she's back there, to go on these adventures with and teach her same things we taught Sam, and so that'll be fun. But I like to think that she is still here with us somehow on these little trips. But anyway, enough sad stuff. We came in last night, found this cool little campsite kind of nestled in below this ridge behind me back there, and it's a really pretty creek. So we're gonna just go do some exploring. There's rain in the forecast, so I don't know if we're gonna be able to hike or not, but we're gonna try to. So I hope you enjoy this episode. It feels good to be back. Since we weren't really sure what the weather had in store for us, we decided to stay close to camp and explore some of the area nearby. While out exploring, we came across something that appeared to be an old abandoned summer camp.
Corks.
Wine corks.
Yep, that's
The drunken cowboy camp.
Woohoo.
Actually, it wasn't a drunken cowboy camp after all. After doing some research, I found that it's actually a week-long summer horse camp for kids. The kids get their own horse for the whole week, learning to live in harmony with nature while gaining skills in horsemanship and wilderness living. So it's not abandoned at all, just only in use for a few weeks out of the year. For lunch on this trip, we actually brought one of our Hello Fresh meals from home. We found that they're actually great for camping, as everything is already packed and pre-measured, making it a quick, easy meal to cook outdoors.
Ooh, thank you.
The rest of our afternoon was spent playing with Abby and competing in a few rounds of cornhole. Cornhole is a popular game in North America, in which players take turns throwing beanbags at an angled board with a hole in its far end. The goal is to score points by either landing a bag on the board for 1 point or getting it into the hole for 3 points. Although the origin of the game is unclear, legend has it that a 14th century cabinet maker invented the game after watching children throw rocks into a groundhog's hole. Concerned for the safety of the children, he utilized his carpentry skills and designed a safer game for them to play. He used bags of corn for the children to throw into the holes. This is how the name cornhole came into play.
Yeah?
Yeah. 18, what's your, what do you got?
I'm 17. Damn, now you're beating me.
Close game.
Yes, it is.
After an emotional roller coaster of a year, that relaxing weekend was just what we needed. But before heading home, we just had to stop at Twin Pine Burgers. People and cars were lining up before the place was even open, so we just had to see what all the hype was about. Cheers. Good.
That's very good. Yeah, see why this place always has a line.
I know. There's people lining up for their open. If you're ever driving through, where are we? Cleellum? Stop at Twin Pines. It's really good. It's just like a good classic backyard style burger. And their milkshakes are ridiculous. It's pumpkin pie milkshake tastes just like a pumpkin pie.
Thanks for coming along with us on this adventure. We'll see you next time as we explore more of the Pacific Northwest.